Hi traders, welcome to Nu Markets. Today, we're going to break down one of the most important tools in your trading journey, trading charts. Whether you're using cTrader mobile, Webtrader, or desktop, learning how to read these charts can give you a major edge, especially when trading CFDs in our secure, regulated environment. Why trading charts matter? Charts are more than just lines and candles. They help traders like you spot trends, analyze price movements, and plan entry or exit points for trades. Think of them as your trading GPS. They help you navigate the ups and downs of the market. What is a trend? An uptrend means the price is generally going up. Look for higher highs and higher lows. A downtrend shows lower highs and lower lows, signaling a downward move. A sideways trend? That's when the price moves in a range without a clear direction. Spotting these early helps you react faster and trade smarter. The basics of support and resistance. Support is like a price floor. When the price hits it and bounces back up, buyers are stepping in. This could be your buying opportunity. Resistance is the ceiling. When prices rise and then fall from a certain level, sellers are taking profits. This may be a good time to sell or watch closely. Over time, the more these levels hold, the stronger the signals they provide. Now let's see what reversals and breakouts are. When does a trend change? Sometimes charts show patterns that signal a big move is coming. Ascending and descending triangles. When price squeezes into a point, expect a breakout. Bullish or bearish flags. After a sharp move, prices might rest briefly before continuing the trend. Pennants. Like flags, they suggest short pauses before big moves. These patterns can help you find potential entry and exit points. Trend lines. These connect price points to show overall direction. Volume bars. They show how much is being traded. Higher volume often means stronger momentum. News and events. Dividends or stock splits can affect the trend. It's always smart to match your chart reading with real-world news. Tools like moving averages, relative strength index or RSI, MACD, moving average convergence divergence, can help you confirm if what you see on the chart really means a trend is forming or ending. Understanding trading charts gives you better timing for your trades, clearer insight into market direction, awareness of support resistance zones, a way to manage risk by identifying volatility. It's not about predicting the future. It's about making informed decisions based on real-time data. While these tools can give you confidence, CFD trading is risky. Always practice with care and use risk management. Try it on cTrader now. If you haven't already, log into cTrader mobile or Webtrader with Nu Markets. Our regulated environment provides live charts and the tools we just discussed, so you can apply this knowledge right away. Reading charts is a skill, and like any skill, it gets better with practice. So start slow, keep learning, and let your charts guide you. Thanks for watching, and happy trading from all of us at Nu Markets.